everyone. Today I'm going to show you two different ebook resources that we have. So this is going to be academic, mostly academic. So you may see that your teachers use some of these in your classes, and it's really important that you know how to access them. So here's what we're going to do. We need to get to our library databases. So if we go to FWCS, Destiny, we automatically have a little link here that will take us to Destiny. So you guys have done this before in the library if you are currently in 7th or 8th grade. We talked about this last year. If you're in 6th grade, this is brand new to you. You're going to come into the right-hand corner and you're going to go ahead and click Log In. When you get here, you're going to use your username and your password in order to get in, just like you would for other FWCS programs. Okay, click Log In. And then on the very first homepage, it shows you all of these electronic databases that we have. So aside from what we normally use, we have two new ebook resources this year. I'm going to go ahead and start with Inspire because this is an Indiana program and every single person can use it no matter what. So Inspire is really awesome. You shouldn't ever have any trouble getting in. However, we're going to go ahead and go to databases by subject. And when you look, you can see there's so many different subjects you can search for. But what's new for us this year is under student searches, they have ebooks. So there's an ebook K-8 collection. That's what we're going to use. It's actually under student search K-6, but it goes through 8th grade. So this is perfect for us. So you'll click on that, and it's going to take you to all of these amazing full text resources. So this is different from other programs because a lot of journal articles are much shorter than a full book. This would be just like coming to the library and finding a book that you needed. So if you look on the left-hand side, you can see what technology you need. So if you have to do a project about a biography, you could look and you could click on biographies and memoirs. So here are a whole list of people, and you could go through and find somebody that you wanted. Okay. Let's say that we want to do something about history. So you can see, scroll through until you find something and you think, ooh, Vikings, that's pretty cool. So they have different things. A PDF that has the full text, an EPUB, which has the full text, or you can download it to your computer, which means you would not have to come back to this website to use it. And this is really important for teachers because teachers can use these and put them on our PowerSchool pages because they're downloadable. So if you click on EPUB full text, this is what's going to show up as if it were an ebook. So you have the cover, and very similar, you can flip through it if you just want to flip through and start scrolling. But what's going to be more helpful is seeing the table of contents on this side. We're going to expand this. Look at all of these different sections about Vikings. So let's say you think, let's say you think Viking clothes. You want to know more about that. You can click on it, and it will bring you right where you need to be, and it has that full text here for you. And the great thing about choosing K through 8 is that all of these are going to be appropriate for your research. You'll understand these materials. If you do the high school ones, sometimes they'll be a little bit more advanced, and you don't want to use those. So the second database that we have, if we go back to our home on Destiny, is Worldbook. And Worldbook is great. We've had all of these other programs before, but now we have eBooks. So if we click on eBooks, we have tons and tons of books to use. So the only thing that's a little bit different, let me move this, okay, is that the categories are all up top. So you can scroll through and see what you need. Let's say you want to do something on the environment, like a science teacher might prompt you to do research on the environment. You can look through here and you have choice to choose, or let's say they say you have to do something about the oceans. Okay, about our oceans. You can click on this book and see if it's a resource that's going to work for you. Very similar to all the other programs that we've been using. Here's the table of contents, but there's also a digital table of contents on the left-hand side. So you can go through, click on a section that looks interesting to you, and then you can read about it. Those glaciers are really cool. And, oh, Venice. I would love to go to Venice. For now, I'll just have to read about it in an ebook. This is great. There's all different kinds of things on the left-hand side here. So you can make a sticky note if there's something you want to remember. We'll have to work on how to do that. But you can highlight passages and then remember that that's what you wanted to. Oh, there we go. So if you click sticky note and click on the page, you can type in, maybe you wanted to remember that, I don't know, sea level, something about this. So you can type that and then click save, and then you'll have a sticky note. You can go back later and put your source information. It's all compiled for you. Okay, you can move throughout the book, look at it as single page or thumbnails. You can even search for specific things. So if somebody says, we want you to do something about sea levels, but not, or if, okay, back up. If it's more specific than just oceans, like let's say it's pollution in oceans, you can click the search bar and search for pollution, and this will show you what page it talks about pollution. So you click on it, and it'll take you there, and that is awesome. If you search for something and it doesn't show up in the book, it means it's not a resource that you want to use. Okay. So you can always go back with this little home button. There's tons and tons of subjects and things to look at. There's even, I haven't even explored this fully yet. Look, there's even a fiction and literature one. So I'm really excited that we have these to use this year, and it's going to be a great resource for us. So this is Inspire and Worldbook. Please let me know if you have any questions, and like always, I will have it linked to the library LMS page on PowerSchool so you have easy access to find them. Bye, everyone.